Yo, what is up, YouTube? I'm back again here trying to show you some untapped side hustles to get into, maybe make a little bit of money. Okay, this one here is slightly tapped. Unfortunately, a lot of people have already hooked onto this trend and are doing it as we speak, but gotta go ahead and give it to you anyway. Okay, no free source as always. So yeah, like, comments, share if you want to. Let's get into the video. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to upwork.com and we are gonna sign up and make an account. Okay, you're gonna hit I am a freelancer looking for work. Come on, bro, and say apply. Okay, fill in all the details and then create your account. It's pretty simple, really. Yeah. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to ChatGPT and we're going to use this to get information to give to our clients. Okay, so on Upwork we're going to advertise our little business, for example making essays, editing work, spoofing. No, I'm joking. So you can also use Fiverr. Okay, if you want, join here. Fiverr, use both, honestly. Higher chance of you getting someone to pay you. Okay, if I go on Fiverr and I type in, let's see, edit my work, as you can see, there we go. We'll rewrite, we'll edit your What we're gonna do is basically similar to what these guys are doing, right? So I'm gonna make an ad like this, okay, and then whatever the client asks us, we're gonna go to ChatGPT and we're gonna pop it in here. Obviously when it's done, read it and then you can send it over to the guy. But yeah, we're not going to really use our brain power. We're going to use AI because AI is the future. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah, once you create an account, obviously something like editing, something that ChatGPT can do. I'm sure you guys all know what ChatGPT can do, right? So find something that it can do and then advertise and then pop it in ChatGPT and then hand it over to the client. It's simple as that, bro. It's free money, you know what I'm saying? It's the broken aid. Okay, so let's do copywriting as an example, right? Let's try and see what we can. Okay, there we go. I will write a sales and funnel sales copywriting. I don't know. It's a lot of money, bro. I don't know if you guys are in the US, but this is about $200, right? Okay, let's see what he wants. Offering. Okay, type in here. Make a. Let's type in give me some copywriting for my new clothing line. Let's see what it's. Okay. Wow, it's taking pretty long, boys. Sheesh. There we go. Absolutely, I'd be happy to. Options for copywriting. There we go. Right here. Find your style, make a statement. Our clothing line offers bold, unique, Right. So what we're gonna do is copy this, right? We're gonna hand it over to our clients, okay? And he's gonna pay us the 20, 30, 40, $50 that we advertise for. It's that simple, boys. Literally, don't even have to use your brain. It's literally free money. Okay, ChatGPT, make use of it. Yeah. Once you're done collecting all the dough, come back to my channel, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, it's that simple, right? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my short little video on. It's really short because people have attention span problems. I could go more in depth, but I can't because people can't focus for more than 3 minutes these days, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, thank you for watching this short video, and I guess I'll see you next time, right boys? Stay safe.